Hey guys, welcome to Help Screen, and this is how to like a game on a Roblox Mobile. So, first thing is just simply open the Roblox application into your device. Now guys, from here, in order for you to like a game, first thing is just simply open up the game, any game that you like. And if we scroll down, as you can see, we should be able to see here the like button and the dislike button. It will be the arrow pointing upward and the arrow pointing downward. So the like button is the arrow pointing upward. And as you can see, when we tap on the like button, we cannot like it. So in order for you to like it, as you can see at the top, you will have a message. You must visit the experience before rating it. So just simply go inside the game and select play at the bottom in order for you to like this game. Now, guys, once you have gone inside the game, from here, if we go back to the game, as you can see, we could now like the game and it will be color blue, means we have like it. And guys, if you see an option saying actions unavailable, I will have the solution link down below. So make sure to check that out in order for you to proceed with this process. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.